Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shivakant Pathak here available with you to see one important topic in thermodynamics, that is work done in thermodynamical system. So let's see what is a thermodynamical system. A system or a thermodynamical system whose state can be expressed in terms of pressure, volume and temperature. In a bracket we may write pressure, volume and temperature is called thermodynamical system, right? Here in this thermodynamical system, an example is given of a thermodynamical system in which a cylinder fitted with piston in it. This piston and cylinder system is made up of conducting material. This is made up of conducting material here, through which heat can go inside and can come from inside to outside. So the purpose to select the conducting material is only this: heat can flow from system to this and system from out surrounding to system or system to surrounding. So this is a system, and outside the area of system is called surrounding, and we are knowing this important mathematical relation that system plus surrounding is equal to universe, right? This is this is a system, and outside the area of the piston and cylinder is surrounding. Working substance gas is filled in it, right? And some weights are placed over the piston. Some weight, fractional weights were kept on the surface. What to do here? Some of the pressure is released. Here in this case, first case, some of the pressure is released here in this and piston is allowed to expand, and it's expanded from A to B and traveled distance delta S, right? So when weight is released from piston, right? So weight is released means force decreases, and this force, weight is equal to force is equal to pressure into area. So the pressure acting here is on the here due to weight of that, and A denotes area. Pressure decreases, here pressure is acting, right? So it changes from A to B, force into area. Clear? Here is a displacement delta x in the system. A graph is given. Here a constant weight, the weight is constant weight is released. So constant weight is released. See this equation first. It means that a constant pressure is decreased. P is decreased. So the expansion takes place at a constant pressure, and it's expanded from A to B on PV curve. This is pressure volume curve, right? It is pressure volume curve but expanded from A to B volume changes from V1 to V2. So change in volume is delta V. And this change in volume, delta V, is given by formula V2 minus V1. See in the diagram what is a V2. From here to this is V2 and it is V1. Right? Now see, when this we release a weight over the displacement is delta S, then we can calculate work done by the gas. Here see in the system, gas expands from A to position B position. So there is a displacement in the gas. So work is done by the gas, and this work done by the gas, we are taking delta W. It is equal to force into displacement delta X. But this force is pressure into area into delta S. See the term A into delta S. See here in the diagram. This total is, see by black pen here, delta V. This total area into ds, and that is shaded by black here portion. Now work done can be calculated. Delta W is equal to P into delta V. A into delta, so we may write here, since delta V is equal to, according to diagram, area into delta S. See, this is the diagram formula here in this total case. Clear? Now see very carefully. If the work done is this, so this work done delta W can be written as P. See in the diagram, delta V is equal to V2 minus V1, V2 minus V1. This is the required formula to calculate the work done here in this case is represented by equation number 2. This work done is under constant pressure. P is equal to constant, right? Change in volume, P into delta V. See here in the diagram. If we see it is, see carefully this total configuration here in this case totally, in that it is, see this pressure curve, so this distance is pressure and it is this. So P into delta V denotes area of rectangle, this. See in the shaded portion. What is this rectangle? A, V1, V2, B, A. So we may write, this is V2 minus V1 delta V is area of rectangle A, B, V2, V1, A. See in this diagram, A, B, V2, V1, A. We may write. So either we can calculate network delta W by 2 formula, either by equation number 2 or equation number 3. This is a calculation of work done under first case, case 1. What is case 1 here? In which pressure is a constant. So formula of work is given here. Now we are going to see the work done here under another case in which pressure is a variable. Now the work done in thermodynamical system under second condition, when pressure is a variable not constant, that is P decreases gradually, this implies that weight decreases gradually from piston of a system. So we gradually decreases. So see, this can be understood and allowed to expand and allowed to expand gas within a system, right? So see here in the graph, pressure volume curve, it is called PV curve. The system, this change is delta S is from A to B here. At A the volume is given V1 and at B the volume is V2. This is change in volume. This is equal to V2 minus V1 is here. See in the diagram, right, how this work done can be calculated. So to calculate the work done here, see, work is given, work done to increase the volume is equal to work done delta W is equal to force into delta S. Delta S is from A to B. But this is not a definite diagram. Let us divide this whole area in small parts. See very carefully. This portion can be considered as a rectangle where pressure is little, this is pressure is this constant, and this we can write delta V here. This is a V2 minus V, because delta V here we will write, here delta V will be write, it will be confusion there, right? So what will we do? We will divide the whole from A to B is small rectangles. We will obtain divide in the rectangles and will add the area of all rectangle that will denotes the work done, F into delta S, right? So this is equal to, let's see systematically, force is pressure into area into delta S. This is pressure into delta V, right? So this is pressure into delta V. See in the formula is area of rectangle. We will keep some name here, M N S R. This V into delta V. This is a pressure. Take a pressure of this rectangle and delta V. So it is area of rectangle MNSR. See, this is diagram delta V. So if we do this, then we can calculate the net work done. See, net work done we will denote by W. This is equal to summation of all this rectangle. This is summation from V1 to V2, from here to here, all delta W, or this is P summation V1 to V2 delta V here, right? Or we may write this P summation V1 to V2 delta V. In the net we will see in the detail for along, it is V2 minus V1. So net work done can be written by this equation under the second case. So net work done is here in this case under variable pressure and variable volume. In both the work done is area of rectangle AB V2 V1A. This is equal to area of rectangle AB V2 V1A. Net work done is can be represented by this symbol. Now it can be written in the word also. Work done by a gas, work done, W stand for work done by a gas is equal to area enclosed in PV curve. See, this is in the diagram. Here it is, right? So this can be understood clearly by watching this curve here. This area of a total curve. Now we will see some work done under a different cases, right? Here in third case, let the position of piston moves from initial position I to final position F, right? See here, from initial to final. By one way is here given, it reaches from initial to position A, then here to F, right? When system converting from into step I to A, then A to final position. I stand for initial and F stand, and the work done we are going to calculate here. Work done from I to A we will take. It is working at constant pressure. Let this is a pressure. So area of a rectangle we are taking, right? Here A to F, this is a V1 and it is a V2. So I to A work done is area of rectangle I A V2 V1 I. See, in this case I A V2 V1 I, right? Now see work done from A to F. A to F. See, this area is a 0, no work done. No work done. So work done by system only I to A, and it can be represented by the area of this rectangle total. Please see under the dotted area, right? This rectangle. This system can also changes from I to F by, this is the first process. When system is converting from initial to final by the process I to A and A to final. Now in second step, system is converting from I to B, this position, then B to F, this case. So system is converting I to B, then B to final. It is first way through which system is converting from initial to final, and here from second way. This is, see very carefully. So work done when we calculate from the graph by drawing the area, so we are going to calculate from work initial to B, no change in volume, so work done is a 0. So work done from B to F, see in the diagram. So B to F is area of rectangle BF V2 V1 B. Area of rectangle this. Clear it is? So area of rectangle B is what? So here less amount of work is needed. By this less amount of work is done as compared to the first part. So see what is the conclusion of this graph. What is the conclusion? The conclusion is that work done by a system does not depend on initial position and final position, but it is dependent on path. Work done, see, work done by a system, work done by a system is not dependent on initial and final point. You may see in the diagram initial and final point is same in the both process. When it is moved by this path, the work done is this much area, and if it is moved by this path, the work done is this much only, which is represented by like this. So work done is different. So work done by system not depend on initial and final point. So on what point it's depend? It dependent on path adopted. Right? What does this conclude then? Work done is not point function. What does mean by point function? It does not depend on initial and final point, but it is path function. Work done is a path function. It is under the case third. Now we are going to see the last case, fourth. Work done in cyclic process. We will see what is a cyclic process here in this case. Now see the work done in cyclic process by this graph. This is pressure volume graph is here. Right? In this a system is changes from initial position to final position, I to F by way A to F. I to F here in this case. So see very carefully the work done. In this case, the volume is a V1 here and it is a V2 here. So work done, see very carefully, work done from I, A, F is equal to area of closed path I, A, F, V2, V1, I. See here in the diagram, I, A, F, V2, V1, I. This is cyclic process means system is converted from I, A, F by this way and moved back to again at F. Followed this path, F, B, I. Right? F, B. So work done, see by the black color here the work done, W is equal to, this is the work done under this case. You may see very carefully, work done between cyclic process F, B I. Here work is done by the system. Here work is done on the system in the second case. In the former case it was work done by the system. It is area of closed path. See, it is F B I V1 V2 F. We are taking by this way. So see, in the first case it is, here volume is increased. See in the graph, in the first case from V1 to V2. So it means when volume is increased, work is done by system. So it is a positive, and work is done on system to decrease the volume, right? So it is a negative. We are knowing the work done convention. If work is done by the system, positive. If work is done on the system, it is negative. So net work done is differences of both. So net work done, the net work done, W is equal to WIAF minus work done by FBI. This. So see very carefully in the diagram, in a graph. So zoom the graph first of all, and to see it very carefully, see whole of the diagram. When system moves from IAF, the work done is this. This much area, see in the graph, right? And in this cyclic process, when system again moves from final position to initial position by the path B, then work done here in this case is, see very carefully, it is this much area. So difference in area is only here, it is this. So we may write it is equal to, here in this case, area of closed path I, see here, IAFB I. See, it is the net work done. This is called work done in cyclic process. So this is for today. Thank you and have a nice day to all.